You there! Are you tired of grammar? Like you wouldn't believe, it's driving me bananas. To drive someone bananas means to drive them crazy. Here we go. Are you tired of that constant formal writing? What do you think? Write this, write that? I've got writer's cramp. Simple writer's cramp is most often caused by holding your pen wrong, poor posture when writing, and using your hand too much. So, what can you do for me? Well, it gives me great pleasure to say it's your lucky day. Oh yeah, pull the other one. I'm never lucky. Pull the other one means you don't believe the other person. You think they're teasing or joking with you. Yeah, right. And pigs might fly. There's one there. What do you think that is? Scotch mist? What? So there is! Pigs might fly is used when you think there's no chance of something happening. Did that army chap just say Scotch mist? It's a bit old-fashioned, but we might say it to friends and family in fun. Tell me, do you know what language is really for? Oh, exams, tests, English writing down of vocabulary, writing sentences. Oh, it quite blows my mind sometimes. But you've forgotten the most important thing of all. What's that then? Come on, get your brain in gear. It's communication, of course. Blow your mind or my mind? Well, it can be positive, but here it means for one's head to explode under extreme mental pressure. Right, what did the parrot say? Get your brain into gear. So that means to start thinking clearly about something so that you can achieve what needs to be done. So remember, the most important reason for learning a new language is communication. To communicate with others in that language. Here's a disclaimer. Goodbye for now.